In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto delete for your Instagram search history. So if you want Instagram to clear your searches automatically, this is exactly what you need. Let's get started. 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. 2. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. 3. Next, tap the 3 lines menu icon at the top right. 4. From the menu, tap Account Center. 5. Now scroll down and tap Your Information and Permissions. 6. Here, select Search History. 7. Choose your Instagram account if you have more than one linked. Once you're in, you'll see your full search history. 8. To make it delete automatically, tap Keep Searches For. 9. Now choose how long you want Instagram to save your searches. 3 days, 7 days, or 14 days. That's it. Once set, Instagram will automatically delete your search history based on your selected time frame. Pretty simple, right? If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you next time.